Oh, dance, dance. Misha, dance. Ah. Wow, very nice dance. Hi guys, so officially dito na kami sa Poland, sa Warsaw. Hindi muna kami didiretso sa bahay nila Daddy Boytik and Mami Lila kasi gusto nila magpahinga kami ng buong araw, pero fully recharged naman kami, so hindi talaga kami as napagod. Ewan ko lang kay Mrs. Pero parang ano naman siya,
we are in Old Town,
malusog at saka hindi na siya nanghihina. Gifted. You're gifted. Ay, ito yung nabingwit kong Polish. At ang nakabingwit ay mangingisda sa Pinas. We're in Poland, Old Town, Poland. Si Uncle. Ayan. So guys, napapansin ko dito sa mga tao, mga Poles, ay kahit nakapinad sa araw, sila naiinitan kasi kahit direct sunlight, malamig kasi ang hangin kaya nababawi. Hindi katulad sa atin na kunting bilad lang, wala, pawis kagad. Appear, appear. Hands, shake hand, shake hand. Look. See, he's handsome. It's nice. So guys, ito yung pinaka old restaurant dito sa Old Town sa Warsaw. So yung putahe at yung lasa nitong mga recipe ay hindi daw nagbabago all through the years. Kaya pasukin na natin.
są słodkie z serem i barszczyk z uszkami.
Then, masarap ang timpla ng Polish food. Pero mas malasa ang Pilipino. Sa atin kasi medyo malat-alat sila. Parang ano lang sila. Neutral lang yung ano nila. Yung lasa. So, after sa restaurant, si Misha kung ano nung tinuro sa mga lola at lolo. Kaya, parang in-spoil nila si Misha. Ngayon sa likuran ko ay ice cream. Yay, ice cream. Yeah.
Oj! A mówiłam, że tylko pół tego lubią, ale no to będą potem. Camping?
I love it. Thank you, Gotcha.
One, two, go. And hi, friend. Hi. You go. Hi, sorry. Ito na yung ano, nirintahan nila. As in, lumang-luma talaga. Oo. Sa gitna ito ng Warsaw. So ito rin. Okay lang, mami? Wow. Hi. So ito na siya. Guys, ganito sila sa Poland magluto ng rice. Like a puto bongbong, like, right? And this is Mama's specialty from Asian, adapted by Asian taste. Excited, okay?
And Glenn will testing. This is Asian food. A Polish version. You can use Trinidor to this.
So, ayan ang rice. At sauce muna, sauce.
Yes, together with Bayern. Be careful, it's hot.
Malalala ko. Like yellow powder.
Dawałaś jakąś kurkumę albo coś takiego?
Kurkuma, I like.
Tak? Kurkumę dawałaś? Albo suchary?
Dodatki, tak, że to wow. Mamy nadzieję, że też będziemy smakować, będzie gotowo jak
My mom said that we are hoping that you will cook for us. We will buy your ingredients and you will cook from time to time for us a Filipino food. Are you agree?
So, dito na sundo namin, guys. Si Uncle. Pati ito kay La Daddy Poitik. And ayan, ito na ang car namin sa sakyan papuntang probinsya.
Bo nie mogliśmy zapiąć pasów, ale już wszystko ogarnęliśmy.
Okay. How about you, Michelle? Are you okay?
How much are going
It says follow us. Do you worry about Bakcha? Now the car should follow us, okay?
Ani może jeszcze dalej, wiesz, o ty.
guys?
I on to też tak robi.
Okay guys, so first time akong kumain ng banana. This is originally from Poland or
No.
from Spain?
Z jakiego państwa
Or China.
banany?
Hindi talaga to original from Poland, so it's imported. Ba't lakatan ang ano niya, ang itsura?
Maybe it's mixed. Tunda na lakatan. Na Filipinach mamy
No,
banany.
this is...
I używamy je do różnych rzeczy.
Tikman
Ale
mo,
wszystkie lubimy.
may labo.
Well, how is that?
This is not lakatan. Look. So, did you observe?
Tak, lakatan?
Huh?
Dla mnie smakuje jak lakatan.
This is not lakatan, right?
And I feel like lakatan.
Ah, okay. Maybe you're... For me, it's not lakatan.
Tundan?
Parang latundan siya, hindi talaga siya originally lakatan. Kasi ang lakatan, yung amoy niya is aromatic, more aromatic, and yung lasa niya ibang-iba. Kasi kaya ko nasabi, I can tell because we have our own banana plantation, like 1 meter only. Good. Adam. Say thank you. Ah, okay, later. Oh my, sa wakas.
They will look at this food and waiting for we come that they can
Oh
start.
my. Yeah. Thank you. I can. Wow. Thank you, Radik. Who made this? Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know.